Everybody get a log, You're about to ride a horse.
Can you bring me back up? Bring me back up.
Guys, we need to go to horror.
Bring me back up.
Dave, what did I say?
Guys, let's go to horror mode.
What up, monkey? Hey,
Okay, go to the basement thingy.
please don't hurt
Looks
me.
like the doors
Dude,
slightly open.
Sigma.
Oh, shoot.
I can't use my powers in here, by the way. I can't use my powers in here. Yeah, my mods. I can't use them.
Wait, you have mods?
Yeah, but I can't use them right now because we're inside of horror.
Dude, what the
Wait, I
Sigma?
know better I do. What if we try
Hey.
doing,
Hey, friend.
the weapon right? Yeah,
Grabbing
that's-
What
this
up,
log
monkey?
because I'm a Sigma because I'm grabbing this log. Don't ask how am I grabbing this log. I'm a Sigma. I'm so strong that I'm a Sigma. I'm a Sigma. I'm a Sigma.
My golden monkeys have ran away.
I'm a Sigma.
In return, I will give you this golden cosmetic. Good
Dave,
luck.
what you doing here?
No.
I thought I told you to get out of here. You should have not.
Yeah, we'll do it.
Alright, Dave.
I like you.
Get in the
What's your
bushes.
name?
Hey,
You know what? I'm gonna drown Dave. Nobody has actually.
hey. Hey, friend. You know Ivy created this game. Monkey is funny.
Dave. Bro, would you
Please don't hurt me.
On my back, on my back.
Stay right there, stay right there, stay right there. I'm coming.
Ooh, what's
I'm
that?
coming up.
Dude, what the Sigma? You know Ivy created this
Oh,
game.
no, you can grab the monkey sword. Got
On my back. On my back.
Hold on. Come on. Oh, that's
You could
I
take
love
the golden monkeys and give them to Dave. Wait, you could take the golden monkeys that you already
Hey.
have. And you still have the new
Monkey.
head.
Oh no, without
Monkey
You
is
gotta get
funny.
this last golden monkey.
Hey, friend.
Come on.
What up, monkey?
Dave,
You know Ivy created this game.
look, it's your mother. Dave, look. Dave, look, it's your babies. Dave, look, it's your babies. Dave, it's your babies. Oh,
I
wait,
need
I
it.
gotta get- Dave, it's your babies.
Don't open me.
Dave, look, it's your babies. Hold up. Bro, this guy's trying to steal your babies. Bro,
Need it.
bro, he's trying to steal Dave's buddy. Bro, I can't get this last
Teach me how
monkey.
to play.
I guess it's just stuck there.
What up, monkey?
Guys, that guy's trying to... That guy's
Hey, friend.
Scam. They're all Hey,
Please don't hurt me.
Babies.
Please don't hurt me.
Anybody know where a little Dave is? Anybody know where a little Dave is? That's actually a golden. It's actually a golden monkey. A little Dave is Dave.
Does anybody want to go to horror?
I will find all your monkeys.
Does
and
anybody
give
want
them
to
to
go
you.
to horror?
I do.
So,
I do.
bro, shoot, I'm taking your babies. Nah, bro, I'm rich. I just take David's babies.
Guys, guys.
I love this
Do
place.
y'all want to go to horror?
I want to go to
Do
horror.
y'all want to go to horror?
I want to go to horror. I want to go to horror.
I got my child. I got a child.
Okay, come
Monkey
on.
is funny.
Why
David's,
are
I
we
got
going
Dave's
to the
child.
same place?
Where are you?
Where are Dave's child?
I'm coming.
The Dave's child. Oh my God. One of the.
You know Ivy created this
Okay,
game.
Don't worry, I'll
there's
give you back
another
today.
person
Right here.
Hi.
Hi.
Bro, no, wait. I'm a Sigma. I
That's
swear.
why.
Teach me how to play.
I'm a Sigma.
How do we get out of here now?
We gotta find out.
Friend?
Maybe this ladder monkey doesn't get out like that.
No.
Teach me
That's
how to
the
play.
exit to
Can I
horror.
make this like 3?
Hey, friend.
Then that's
No, I
That's
take
where
it
we
back.
came from.
No, I take it back.
There's a
love
hole
Don't
here.
give it back.
There's a hole here.
Wait, teach me how to
play.
fit in.
Monkey is funny.
Give Dave's baby back.
That's
Dave, I'm sorry. I have to
Yeah.
give you the.
Wait,
Oh,
if we
no,
like
Dave's
wait
too.
to glass with Dave, I think we need Dave, y'all. We have to kill Dave. This is my
Dave, I'm
Friend?
sorry. Dave, I'm
Please
so
don't
sorry.
hurt me.
Get Dave.
Dude, what the
Daniel,
Sigma?
I'm so sorry. I just
Hey.
gave your babies to the other guy. Bro, I can't get his babies back. He can't get his little
Hey,
guys.
what
Hey, I love this
Guys,
place.
look at the big.
Look at the
this
big
place.
area. Look at the big area.
No, wait,
What up, monkey?
Look at the tutorial.
Friend?
Guys, come here.
Dude, what is Sigma?
Look at the tutorial. Look at the tutorial. Look at the tutorial.
I'm trying to get the baby back. I can't get the baby.
Hey,
Guys, should I jump from tutorial? Do I jump from
Well, that
tutorial?
baby's
Orange.
knocked out. Bro, damn, I'm knocked you out.
Orange. Look at tutorial.
Oh, shoot. Babe.
monkey is funny.
I'm taking him.
Really?
Oh, shoot. Oh, flipping cheese biscuits. Dave! Little Dave! Oh, no. I just killed the little Dave. Little Dave, you good? Little Dave, you
dang.
good? Guys, there's actually way. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. I just.
Monkey
No!
is funny.
No! Oh, my God. I think I just got. Oh, my God. That little
I'm not
Dave
good at
is
this
gone.
game.
That little Dave is gone.
Yeah,
Guys,
dang.
I can get rid of little Daves. Don't pull
Guys.
the little Daves apart. You can actually go fly.
Dude, what is Sigma?
You wanna come to horror with me?
Yeah, right.
Really? You love it? You love it?
Oh,
no,
flip,
I
Dave
haven't.
just went flying.
I haven't played
Bro,
horror
it's my
yet.
dog.
You don't wanna
My
go?
dog.
No, leave.
Bro. What? I think it's fun.
Yo, David.
No.
What are you doing? Yo. You
shut
you
up.
wanna
Go
play
to
horror
credits.
with me?
Dixie,
Wanna play
shut
horror
up.
with me? Go away.
Bro.
Go away.
Bro, I'm
David
gonna
in
knock
credits.
this baby
I
out
put him
cold.
in the credits. How do you get the hat?
You know, Ivy,
Why are you
Bro,
beating me
dang.
up? How do you equip the hat? How do
Monkey
you
is
equip
funny.
the hat? You go here. Leave me alone.
Yo, this baby going crazy.
Leave me alone.
Oh, yeah, no, this is like
Steve.
Yo, where's Dave? Dave disappeared. Oh, Dave over there. Oh, shoot.
friend.
Oh,
Hey, friend. I love this place. Hey, friend.
His name is Daniel.
What up, monkey?
Yeah, my name's
What are you
Daniel.
doing?
Stop. I can't. I'm leaving.
What up, monkey? Please don't hurt me. I love this place. Please don't hurt me.
Okay, I'm recording.
I need two little bit more beefs. So,
I'm reporting this guy, but he's an idiot. He's an idiot.
for what?
You can report it. You can't even report.
Yeah.
You can report player. Yeah, you can.
Yeah, no dip. I'm mods.
So do I. Have platforms. How about that then? Have platforms.
I think I. Wait, what's that?
Let me go get my mod
No,
right
Hey,
here.
little Dave.
Game.
Bro,
I'll show
I
you
think
guys.
I already found
What
a
up,
little
monkey?
Dave. I only have
What up,
four
monkey?
little Daves.
What up, monkey?
I need one more.
Please
little
don't
Dave.
hurt me.
Leave every
Hey.
Well, a little another. Wait, I should call him Michael.
Please don't hurt
You know
me.
what? The little monkeys are called Michael. Michael. Alright, Michael. Alright, little Michael.
Why not Michael
Oh, that-
Jordan?
I'm gonna explore.
No, it's Michael. It's Michael. It's just Michael. The baby golden monkey
Please
is
don't
called
hurt me.
Michael.
What up,
And,
monkey?
just that,
What, guys?
no,
Guys.
please. Oh my God, my best friend almost passed out. Hold up. Aw, you can't do him like that baby monkey. I thought
What
you
up,
could pull
that?
him apart and
Stop.
just get yeeted on.
Guys,
You
who
don't
has the
even
golden
have
monkey?
mods.
Mine.
has
Tell me,
mods?
tell me where the last two are. Tell me where the last
Who
two
in
monkeys
here has
are.
mods? Who in here
Who
has
has-
mods?
You buy mods.
Yeah,
I got. How do you like? I got one, but where,
Why you
where do I
asking?
put him? Where do I put him?
You put it in the little box space.
Where? Where's the little box?
At the monkey stand. Where the monkey's at.
Okay,
Hey
I got
guys, can
one.
someone show me where another little one's that? Because I already
Yeah,
found
I got
one
the
behind
first
it.
one. I got the one behind the stand. That's the only one I have. Can someone show me how to get another one? I only got the one
shoot, I
behind
can
the
show you how
stand.
to get one. I don't.
I only,
well, I can't.
yeah, I
I'm
only
busy
have the
right
one
now.
behind
I'm
the
trying to
stand. I
figure-
just started this game, by the way.
You just.
Oh, I found
Bro,
another
I just
one.
started this game too.
It's like on the gazebo.
Shoot, cheese biscuits. I cannot even get up there. Here, I'm gonna. First of all, they couldn't even went
Come
that
on, Michael.
far.
So you need to collect 6. I bet one is in the water.
Yeah, you need 6. Dave, I got Dave's babies. I mean, little Michaels.
Okay, 2.
I can't get the little Michaels. I only have one little Michael. I'm gonna pull him apart. No, I can't grab him anymore. Wait, I can. Let's go. I'm gonna have to go flying. Bro, you guys can go flying with the little babies. Bro, I'm going flying. Guys, I'm flying. No, Dave, you good?